welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna review a product, and from that product I will do my facial. So the product is Ordinary Ka AHA BHA peeling solution, and we will see either it works or not. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we discussed that what Ordinary says about AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. AHA is basically alpha hydroxy acid that exfoliate the uppermost layer of the skin to bright and even appearance. BHA is basically beta hydroxy acid that aid pore congestion. Together they help fight visible blemishes and improve skin radiance. So it also improves the appearance of the skin texture and reduce the fine lines with the continued use. So this is the bottle looks like. It is a glass bottle and has a dropper. The consistency of the formula is liquid consistency and it is easy to handle. Okay, so now let's talk about how to use it. First of all, you have to clean your face and wait for your skin to dry completely. Then apply it with your fingertips evenly over your face and neck. Then leave it for maximum 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you have to rinse it off with lukewarm water. And you have to avoid your eye. When you apply it on your skin, I recommend you to put a very thin layer firstly and then apply another layer so that it can apply evenly on your skin. But when you apply it on your skin, it starts tingling, but don't worry, that is totally normal thing. So you have to feel tingling a little bit. So as you can see, I already put one thin layer on my neck, on my face. So now I'm going to put second layer on my neck and then my face. So let's talk about the ingredients that this bottle have. It includes salicylic acid, lactic acid, tartic acid and citric acid. It also has vitamin B5 to assist healing and black carrot as an antioxidant. So its pH is 3.6, that is acidic, and the formula is free of alcohol, oil, nuts, silicone and gluten. So now let's talk about the recommendation for the usage. As you guys know, it contains very high concentration of free acids, so it is advised that it should not be used on sensitive, peeling, broken and compromised skin. And also you must not be left more than for 10 minutes, and it is recommended to be used only one time a week. So as you guys have idea that this is my most favorite product, so obviously there has a lot of benefits of using this. So here's the few benefits that I actually want to share with you guys. The first one is that it has dual powers of AHAs and BHAs that actually exfoliate skin doubly, and it also clear congested and clogged pore beneath your skin surface. It actually help out to fight blemishes visible on your skin. It can boost up the radiance of your skin, and it also reduces the fine lines but with the continued use. So I just want to talk about the packaging and the formula a little bit. So as you guys know, Ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution comes in a glass bottle, and in this bottle you will get 30 ml of the product. It has a dropper that dispenses the liquid product easily without getting clogged even after continued use. Its formula is liquid in consistency. It is dark red in color and almost resemble to the blood, but when you put it on your skin you can see it is not as much dark as in the bottle. This is my most favorite product because it brings chemical feels into comfort of your home, and it is very affordable for the quantity they provide. When you use it, your skin feels fresh and clear even after a single use, and your spots and the blemishes will fade out with the continued use. The thing is, it is highly acidic. It is a chemical facial. When you use it, you have to limit your sun exposure, your heat exposure, because it's a chemical exfoliator, so it will definitely harmful for your skin. And also don't put your makeup for at least one day. So this is the final look, and this is my skin without any filter, without any moisturizer, nothing on my skin. This is my clear skin, and it affects my lip area and thoda sa nose area because these are sensitive areas. So after using this you have to apply moisturizer, but please don't apply retinol or any other serum that is highly acidic or has any ingredient like this. So now I'm going to apply Ordinary hyaluronic acid because it actually suits on my skin. It is basically a hydrating serum. You can also use it in your skincare routine and apply a few drops to your face in morning and evening before your creams.
I will recommend you to do patch test first before using it, because it doesn't suit on every skin type. As I have a combination skin, so it suit on me, but I'm not saying that it will suit on every person that have combination skin. So you have to patch test before using it. That's it.
So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it. If you like, please give huge thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is mentioned here and the link is in description box. So that's it, and stay tuned. I will catch you in next vlog. Bye bye.